Good morning.
Very good morning.
How are you?
I'm absolutely fine.
Are you comfortable?
Yes,
Shall we begin the interview?
by all means.
Let's get started. This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, the 24th December 2018 at Hotel Diamond, center number HM7467. The candidate is Ankush Chaudhary and the candidate number is 073456. The examiner is Ved Malik and the examiner number is 0456321. I'll begin with the introductory part where I'll ask some questions related to your life. Firstly, tell me your full name.
My name is Ankush Chaudhary.
How may I call you?
You can call me with my first name Ankush.
Can I see your passport?
Here it is.
Ankush, do you study or you work?
I'm studying in BA first year in DAV College, Karnal.
Ankush, now I will ask some questions about colors.
Okay.
Which is your favorite color?
I really like white since my childhood. I think it is more graceful than any other color. It goes well with every other color in combination. For example, red and white, black and white are very common combination.
Do colors have any special meaning in your country?
Yes, most colors have their symbolic representation. White shows positivity, purity, and spirituality, while black symbolizes hatred and negativity. Red is used to represent love as well as danger. Green is associated with nature, fertility, and growth.
What color would you choose for decorating your house?
I would prefer white for this purpose because rooms look more clean and spacious with white color. Even there would be more brightness in the house as white is a good reflector of light.
Are colors important to you when you are shopping for things?
I am color conscious in some of the things. For example, black is my first choice when buying shoes, belt, wallet, and any electronic gadget such as cell phone and laptop. In clothes, I wear pants of dark colors, mainly black, brown, and blue, and light colored shirts and t-shirts.
What one thing of certain color would you like to buy in future?
It would be a car, specifically black in color. One of my relatives has a black Audi 6. I have a great fascination towards it. It looks royal and amazing on roads.
This is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2, which is a cue card. You will be given a topic. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Your topic is describe a movie that you like. What it is unique about it, why you like this movie. Here's the pencil and paper for notes.
Shall I speak?
Yes.
Although there are numerous films which are my favorite, but a movie that touched my heart is Dangal. It is a biographical sports drama inspired by a real-life story of former Indian wrestler Mahavir Singh Phogat and his daughters Geeta Kumari and Babita Kumari. It is a story of a stubborn father who challenges the society and trains his daughters to make them world champion wrestlers. Legendary actor Amir Khan co-produced and starred in the movie as the father. Once again, he proved that he is Mr. Perfectionist with his acting as well as with the strong social message that this movie conveys. I think that the storyline of the movie is the most unique aspect. A father who is disappointed on not having a boy child sees hope in his daughters that they can also win medals in wrestling at international level. Despite strong criticism and social pressure, He shows commitment to his dream and finally gets success when both his elder daughters win medals in 2010 Commonwealth Games held in Delhi. By means of a real life story, filmmakers have raised a very sensitive issue of social inequality between men and women. India has a very poor sex ratio and incidents of female feticides are very common. This film is a tight slap to those who think that girls are inferior to boys. I like almost everything that this movie displays. Acting of all the characters is amazing, especially the girls who played the role of Geeta and Babita as child and adolescent. There are so many heart-touching moments and many scenes are quite hilarious. All the songs are beautiful and perfectly fit in the story. It is a complete entertainer in the best possible form. Nothing can be better than this when people get entertained as well as learn a precious lesson. I hope that more of such movies should be made because they have the greatest impact on public in short span of time.
Now I'll ask some follow-up questions. Are you satisfied with the way cinema is playing its role?
No, I strongly criticize the work of cinema. It has deviated from its main agenda. The sole purpose behind filmmaking is earning money these days. Filmmakers are selling inappropriate and unnecessary content in the name of entertainment, which is highly influential and set bad example for youngsters.
What major changes have occurred in movie making in recent decades?
Filmmaking is no more a mean of only entertainment. It is a very prolific business which can earn millions in few days. That's why the budget of films is quite high now compared to past. Use of advanced technology for special effects and horrifying action sequences has made movies larger than life.
What do you think should be the main objective of cinema or film industry?
In my view, movies should set examples for common men which they can use in their life. For example, all students, teachers, and parents learned precious lessons from the movie Three Idiots. I don't understand what people learn from the character of corrupt policemen as shown in Dabangg and bank robbers in Dhoom. If cinema shows them as hero, then be prepared to see the youngsters imitating the same.
What do viewers expect from movies nowadays?
Well, expectations vary according to age and taste of individuals. Most people want the full value of their money in terms of entertainment. Some want to laugh, some want to cry, and for some it must be a hair-raising experience. Obviously, they also seek good acting, music, and direction.
What kind of films do you want should be made on priority?
I have already mentioned that films should set examples and convey a strong message to society. They should inspire, motivate, and make people aware of the ways for good living. Rather than showing what is happening, films should show what should happen. Movies like Dangal, Three Idiots, Swadesh, and Tare Zameen Par are perfect examples of great filmmaking.
Okay, Ankush, this is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you.